Hi, I'm Lily at Circus Brighton and I have created a really beginner type routine to work you through. I found a really cool piece of music on YouTube, which I'm going to link down below so you can download the music and you can do the routine along with us. They're pretty much beginnering moves. Some of them are larger, some of them are smaller. You've got your butterfly move. We're going to split that out. You've also got in there alternating beat. You've got large and you've got small. You've got breaking apart of the butterfly. You've also got butterfly up and over your head. So if you can't do those moves yet, check out the tutorial for those ones. We've also got the swim move. Link the swim move.
Under the sea.
And we've got a stool in there, which is you're just going to stop your right poi and you're going to bring it behind you as you swivel your body. So alternate, 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 stall the poi, bring it back as you swivel your body to the side. That one I think is the trickiest transition. From that one you've got swim move and you've also got the weave, because it's not really a routine unless it's got a weave in it. So you've got the weave move, you've also got forwards to backwards weave, which isn't necessarily that much of a beginner move. It's more intermediate, but do check that move out if you can't do it. If you can't do that move, then for the sake of this routine, you can just carry on doing the weave and you can roll it up and roll it down, which also looks super fab. That's what we're going to be doing for this one. The only other one is that at the very end, I go into the kind of body cross straight jacket type move, which is I go from the weave whoop into a kind of straight jacket type move. If you haven't got that one yet, I'm going to do a tutorial on it. If it's up, I will whack it up there already. If not, then do make sure you hit the subscribe, like and bell button so you are notified when that routine comes up. So I've had to redo this a few times because every time I go and do it with the music, I end up changing the routine.
Let's get it started.
You're going to start off in butterfly. I'm going to start it nice and slow-ish, and then that one's going to kick out, bringing it round, and it's going to join this one in a butterfly, but not for long. This one's now going to kick out and come back over. Now your arms are crossed, so we are going to uncross them by doing a movement and bringing it back into butterfly in front of us. Then you're going to go up and over your head, and then you're back. You're going to do a big one again, back into butterfly and up and over your head. Then you're going to be alternating beat in front of you. That's it. And then you're going to make that large. So it's going to almost wipe your nose with your arm. That's it. You're going to make it large. And then it's going to be small again. Then you're going to go behind your back. And then you're going to bring it just in front of you long enough to stall that one, keeping this one going. And then you're going to bring this one back in next to you, just swiveling your body round. Whoop. So my feet are still planted solidly on the floor. The top half of my body is just rotating to the side so that I can almost face my poi but still facing my audience, which makes no sense whatsoever, but you can see what I mean. Now you're alternating beat either side. You're going to go into the swim move, whoop, which I can't really do in this tiny studio. Swim move, then back either side. And then you're going to swim move again. Whoo! Swim. Then back either side. Then it goes into the weave. A frantic weave with the music. And then it goes into backwards, back into forwards, bit more forwards, bit more forwards, back into backwards, back into forwards, bit more forwards. Then if you can do it, into the body wrap, straight jackety type motion, and that is the basis of the routine. Now we're going to put it together with music and it's going to look absolutely fab, and especially if you have like more than one person doing it at the same time. Basic routines look really good if you've got like more than one person. If it's just you, you can add in some extra twists and tricks that you might be able to do. These are just the basic moves, the base moves, some might say. So you can have a play with this and you can carry on the music track and write the rest of the choreography to your own particular taste. This is just to get you started. Either side butterfly, just split apart. Getting ready to kick that one out. And kick that one out, up and over. Going to join this one and kick that one out. Then you're going to untangle your arms by opening them into butterfly, up and over your head, and big, back into butterfly, up and over your head, alternate feet, make it big, something small, behind your back. You're going to bring it in front just for one so you can stool either side, then swim, either side, I'm going forwards in here, and swim, into weave, it's backwards, into forwards, weave, into backwards, back into forwards, into the body cross, and freestyle it.
Losing control, I gotta know who's in control of me. Losing control, I'm gonna explode. Can you bring it back to me? Give it back to me, oh please. It's the only thing I need. I can deal with this, oh please. It's making me feel so weak.
Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you managed to get it. If you had any problem with any of the moves, do let me know. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.